So now let us work around with product section inside of Wix ADI. So to add in a product section, I'm just going to add in a new section right over here. And then from the left side, I'm just going to scroll down until I find the product section. So you want to showcase your product or your services, then you can actually use this section right over here. So I'm just going to click on the simple one and let's see what options we have for here with us. So you can add in a product, as you can see right here, and give a description of the product. So you can see that you can have header title. So I'm just going to say something like our products right over here, and what's in stock, something like that can be a subheader. So you can work around with the header paragraph right over here. You can work around with media, and you can also add in a header button right over here, as you can see. So once you're happy with these, you can work around with the items as well. So you can see by default there's 2 items. So you can add in one more item right over here, just like that. And there'll be 3 items just like that over here. You can also add in a button at the end right over here to learn more, just like that. You can also disable the buttons altogether. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to the third product right over here. And here you can create a separate page out of that product as well and give more details about the product. Of course, you can edit the description items right over here, and you can edit and replace out other information right over here. Like for example, you can add in color or replace it with a picture right over here. So you can simply click on replace just like this, and a new window will open up where you will be able to replace out the picture. And over here, you'll be taken on to your library where you can find in your files just like this. And then you can choose an image of your choice. For example, I'm just going to take in this one and I'm just going to apply it right over there. So once I do that, the image will be replaced, as you can see right over here. Of course, you can choose out the colors and everything else as a background, but the image replaces that out right over here. So that is how you can work around with the product section right over here. And there's different design options, as you can see. So there's recommended design options, for example, something like this one right over here, where there's like a slider scroll right over here as well. So you can go with something like this and other design options as well. So that is how you can work around with the product section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.